Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick video to review this case for the Samsung Buds 3 Pro headphones. So this is one made by Samsung actually. So I didn't know they made one. I saw this at Amazon when I was searching for other cases. This was $20. So this is Samsung branded, and I purchased it sold by Amazon. So it should be authentic. Go ahead and open it. It's very simple case, looks like very plasticky, nothing fancy to it. The user's manual. We have some adhesive on it that we're supposed to remove. Let's see. What I like about it is the lock here, and it's very smooth plastic. Yeah, I think I will like this one. And also the top stays attached to the bottom, even though these are very hard plastic, so it may not be lasting a while, but you know. So let's do this. Let's put this one here, and I'm not gonna remove the sticker, so I'm just gonna put this in there, and this is how it looks like. Let's see if the Carabiner is a nice one. A very standard one. No logo, no name, nothing. So we'll just put it here. Oh yeah, I think this looks cool. And it has this locking mechanism, and there is the LED light showing through there. All right, let's see the wireless charging capability. So here is a Samsung wireless charger trio. See if this charges. Now the buds by themselves, no case, they charge fine. Let's put it there. And I don't see wireless charging light. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't see it, so let's see if it move it around maybe. It's a Samsung case. I would think maybe they have tested it to make sure that wireless charges. No, it's not doing it. Yeah, it's not doing it, so I would say it's not wireless charging capable. Give me a second, let me look through here and see if it mentions anything about that. Give me a moment. It actually does mention that right here. It says when using the case, it may not be compatible with some wireless chargers. So there you go. It's not compatible with wireless charging. All right, but I like it. I like the design of the case very much. I think it's very unique and very smooth. I love it. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope it was informational and helpful. Appreciate you taking the time to watch it with me. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section below, or if you have a comment in general as well. I'm gonna leave a link to the product page on Amazon in the description of the video below. Feel free to click it, and if you are interested in this and you have a question, as I said, put it in the comment section below. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.